Welcome to the booth of Clean Air Enterprise here at COP28 in Dubai. I'm a representative of Clean Air Enterprise Switzerland. This is our logo here. We want to bring circular technology to the filtration in ventilation system of big houses, schools, hospitals and companies, and we want to bring the technology to your country, that you are enable you with our technology to build it locally, the electrofilter that are needed, and to be maintained and fix and repair this product later in your country. We're looking for investors for that. So normally in a ventilation system you have pocket filters, but here in the picture you see already our installed electrofilter. This takes only about 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of the existing ventilation system to install these electrofilters. But before we put in electrofilters at all, we need to measure your existing system. We measure it with the company called Tesenso. This is our partner. And then we show you the numbers, and we bring in also hygienic topics into your ventilation system and check if everything is okay before we bring in, and need to be corrected before we bring in our electric filters into your system. The advantage of electric filter is it has a much less powered pressure drop than you have in pocket filter. Pocket filter over time, they increase the pressure, and you need to replace them every 6 to 12 months normally, and you lose a lot of energy in the fan that is pulling the air through these filters. We here with electrofilters, we save a lot of energy in the electrofilter because it's much lower pressure drop than the pocket filters. So we save energy in one point, that we have less pressure drop, and another thing, we reduce waste. So because we don't need to burn single-use products like pocket filter. For example, nowadays everyone is calling for HEPA, and we can do this HEPA filtration already with our one pocket filter, and this only has about 1/10 of a pressure drop than what a normally starting HEPA filter has. And imagine how expensive HEPA filters are. You save also a lot of money over the time when using the electrofilter. Of course, you have to wash the electrofilter at a certain amount of time, so we need to bring the technology to your country and to local small workshops where they can wash the filter and bring it back to your home again. After the electrofilter, you need some active carbon filter to remove ozone and other smell gas out of your air. And this is also kind of new technology, that we have it refillable active carbon filter. We don't have to waste and throw away the frame of holding this active carbon in place. You just refill it when it's used up. So, what is the conclusion of it? We have already experience with these electrofilters 7 years in Switzerland in big companies. And we save per big filter per year, let's say per year, in lifetime of a filter for about 15 years, we save 3.5 tons of CO2. So this will bring our future much further to our goals to save CO2 here at COP28. Thank you very much. For further questions, please search for cleanairenterprise.com, and you find our information there and what we are doing. Thank you.